This is JUGBOW's Dog Training Collar. I got the model DT57. Well, it comes with like a user manual and other things like that. This is what the dog collar, this is like where it like vibrates, zaps, and beeps. Here is the collar. This is what you use. It's like your remote basically for the dog collar. It's got the beep, the vibrate. And then also it comes with a rechargeable charger there for the actual dog collar. It also comes with this string that you can attach to this. And then this recharges with a Type-C charger. I personally love the orange color, that's why I got this one. And it'll be easy to see on my brown dog because we do have a Pomsky and we are training him. That's what the collar looks like. It's actually really long, so I'll definitely have to cut or shorten that. The back, or it won't do the job because you can't cover these. So it just goes on like this and then it goes through. And then you just pull on it. So that was super simple to put together. So there's the on and off switch right there. An on switch here that you have to press. And then this is like the levels. It changes like the levels. Hold it down and then change the levels. Yeah, overall I would recommend this product. It's super easy to use and it's